Hello, I am Anjit Suhag and this is Mudgar. And welcome to our channel Mudgar Club where we talk about the traditional practices and teach as well, such as Mudgar, Gada, Samtola, and Sena Put Support movement. So, in the last video, we talk about the history of all this traditional equipment. Now, let's start some practice of it. But before starting any kind of movement, any kind of practice with it, the first thing we should learn is the right way of holding the Mudgar. And in this video, we will start our practice with the Mudgar, which is a very simple thing. The handle long enough we can hold with the double hand and just a body which is stable in the equal length. So in this video we are gonna learn how to hold the Mudgar properly as a complete beginner, because the starting holding position will decide your movements if that is going correct or not, and it will save you from the injury as well. So the three things which we will have to remember in the starting days of Mudgar practice, that how we should hold it. The first thing is we will should keep the Mudgar near to our body instead of keeping it away. I have seen many beginners that whenever they hold the Mudgar, lift the Mudgar, they hold the Mudgar like this. They keep it away from their body. Instead of that, we should keep the Mudgar near to our body. The basic reason is that when we are keeping it near, the balance gets really good because we are able to use the strength of our biceps to hold the Mudgar. As if we take the Mudgar away from our body, our elbow gets straight and it starts becoming more difficult to balancing the Mudgar. So in the starting holding position, we want a easy and comfortable way of holding it, and we want to invest our energy in the swing instead of just holding it. So the first thing, we should keep the Mudgar near to our body. The second thing, we should keep the Mudgar down. At least our elbow and hand should be in the one line. If it goes a little bit obtuse angle, that's much better, but the angle between the elbow and the hand should not be acute angle. We should not keep the Mudgar up in this way. The same reason, if we take the Mudgar up and up and up, it starts more difficult to balance it, and we want a easy and comfortable way of holding the Mudgar in the starting position. So we will keep the Mudgar down. At least the elbow and hand should be in one line, or if it goes to obtuse angle, that's even better. But keep it, but it should not go down enough that you start losing the position of holding on your Mudgar. If you go down enough, then you lost the grip on the Mudgar. So your grip should be really good and tight on the Mudgar, and it go down as much as the you does not lose the grip on it. And the second thing is we keep it down. The first thing is we keep it near to our body, and now the third thing is in the starting movement, such as front lower 360 or overhead 360 or 10 toes, the starting position, we keep the Mudgar in the middle line of the chest. The Mudgar will not be to the left, will not be to the right, and we keep the Mudgar in the middle line of the chest. So this is our right way of holding the Mudgar. The first thing near to our body, the second thing down at least the 90-degree angle between the elbow and the hand, or the obtuse angle, and the third thing, we keep the Mudgar in the middle line of the chest. So this is starting position for starting few basic movements we will learn in future, or if you are starting as a beginner. So this is how you should hold the Mudgar. And after every single swing, you have to come back in the starting holding position. Suppose I am doing overhead 360. So after every single swing, I have to come back to the starting position. The starting position does not mean that when we are starting. It means that after every single swing, you have to come back in this position and then again do the next swing. So swing, come back to the starting position. Swing, come back to the starting position. Swing, come back to the starting position. So after every single swing, we will come back to the starting position so that we can synchronize our breathing with the movement. So this is the right way of holding the mudgar if you are absolutely beginner. So if you does not know anything about mudgar, then this is the video you should watch first and then start your practice gradually. And if you want to buy something really good quality wood Mudgar, then you can go on our website MudgarClub.com and order from there. And as our show got on Shark Tank as well, so we make only premium wood Mudgar. And definitely I'm gonna share the live class recording as well, which I take the classes, so I record them as well. If you are buying only the Mudgar from my website, then I will share those recording as well, because I know that very rarely people know about this practice. So it's my duty that I share the recordings with you so that you can learn some movements with it. And I'm not gonna say subscribe my channel or something. That's your choice completely. Thank you.